For decades, the American dream has been a powerful beacon, calling to people all over the world. It's a dream of opportunity, of freedom, and ultimately, of success. But for so many, that dream has felt distant, almost impossible to grasp. Now, a groundbreaking new proposal could change all of that. It's called the US Gold Card Program, and it's being hailed as the next major evolution in America's immigration policy. This isn't just another visa. It's a program designed to attract the world's best and brightest, the innovators, the investors, the creators, while offering them a clear and direct pathway to citizenship. But what exactly is this gold card? Who would qualify for it? And how could it completely reshape the future of America's workforce and economy? Today, we're going to dive deep into the story behind the gold card, America's potential new pathway to citizenship. To understand the significance of the gold card, we first have to look back at the legacy of its predecessor, the green card. For over 70 years, the green card has been the absolute cornerstone of U.S. immigration. It grants permanent residency, the right to live and work freely, and has long been seen as a symbol of belonging, a crucial bridge to becoming a U.S. citizen. But in recent decades, the system has begun to buckle under its own weight. We've seen painfully long waiting lines, backlogs that stretch for years, sometimes even decades, and a web of complex, confusing visa requirements. This has left millions of hopeful immigrants stuck in a state of limbo, unable to plan their futures. The consequences have been real. The United States has watched as highly skilled workers, brilliant scientists, and ambitious entrepreneurs from India to Europe to Africa have taken their incredible talents elsewhere. They've gone to countries that offer faster, more flexible pathways to residency. The message couldn't be clearer. America's immigration system needed a serious update for the 21st century, and that's where the US Gold Card program comes in. This is a bold, modern concept, drawing inspiration from successful global models like Singapore's Tech Pass, Taiwan's own Gold Card, and the UK's Global Talent Visa. The core idea is simple but powerful: to offer the world's top innovators, investors, and professionals a fast track to permanent residency, but with fewer restrictions and a direct route to naturalization. This isn't just about paperwork or a new type of visa. It's a statement. It's a promise that the United States is ready to reclaim its title as the ultimate home of global opportunity. It's about sending a message to the world's most talented individuals that America not only wants them, but needs them to help build the future. This program is designed to be a magnet, pulling in the kind of talent that can drive an entire economy forward. So, the big question is, who would actually qualify for this potential gold card? The proposal isn't for everyone. It specifically targets individuals who can demonstrate exceptional ability or significant global achievement, people who have a proven track record of driving innovation, creating jobs, or contributing to national growth in a meaningful way. This would include entrepreneurs and startup founders who are launching high-impact ventures with the potential to scale. It would include researchers and scientists whose work is considered groundbreaking in their fields. It would also be open to major investors who are ready to fund American industries and cutting-edge technology. And it doesn't stop there. Artists, athletes, and other creatives who have achieved international recognition for their work could also qualify. Essentially, the program is looking for people whose very presence would enrich the US economy, its culture, and its global competitiveness. In many ways, the gold card could become what the green card once symbolized for a previous generation. A golden ticket to the American dream reserved for those who can make the biggest impact. Now, here's where the gold card proposal becomes truly significant and a potential game changer. Unlike many temporary work visas, which can trap immigrants in endless cycles of renewals and uncertainty, the gold card aims to provide immediate permanent residency. This would be very similar to receiving a green card from day one. Let's break down what that means. First, it would grant the right to live and work anywhere in the United States without being tied to a single employer. This freedom from employer sponsorship is huge, as it allows individuals to pursue their own projects, start their own companies, or move between jobs without fear of losing their legal status. It would also provide access to the same social and legal protections that all permanent residents enjoy. And most importantly, it establishes a clear, predictable route to US citizenship through naturalization after just a few years of residency. It's a structure that perfectly blends flexibility with stability, empowering immigrants to confidently build their futures in America while contributing their best work to the country's success. The excitement around this idea is palpable. We're already hearing voices of aspiration from around the world. Imagine an entrepreneur saying, "For years, I dreamed of starting my business in Silicon Valley, but the visa maze made it feel nearly impossible. This could change everything." Or a scientist who tells us the gold card could finally give researchers like me the freedom to innovate without constantly worrying about our visa status being renewed. Think of an artist who believes talent shouldn't be tied to borders. It should be tied to potential. These voices echo a powerful global hope, the hope that the United States can once again become the undisputed destination where the best minds come to build, to create, and to dream big. The gold card isn't just about fixing a broken system. It's about reigniting a dream that has been fading for far too many. It's about creating a modern welcome mat for the pioneers of tomorrow. Let's talk about the impact, because it could be enormous, both economically and culturally. From an economic standpoint, experts predict that a well-designed gold card program could attract billions of dollars in foreign investment. It would fuel the creation of countless new jobs and supercharge innovation across key industries like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, and creative technology. By attracting the world's leading minds in these fields, America could secure its position as the global leader for decades to come. But beyond the economics, this is about values. It's about reaffirming America's foundational commitment to diversity and inclusion. If you look at history, every major era of American growth was powered by immigrants, from the industrial pioneers who built our cities to the Silicon Valley founders who revolutionized technology. The gold card could be the next great chapter in that proud legacy, ensuring that the next generation of world-changing ideas is born and developed right here in the USA. Of course, no major policy proposal comes without its challenges and questions. The gold card is no exception, and there's a healthy debate surrounding it. Critics raise valid concerns about favoritism. They worry that the program could privilege the wealthy or the highly educated, potentially leaving behind other deserving individuals who also seek opportunity but don't fit neatly into these elite categories. Others question the practical side of implementation. How will applicants be evaluated fairly and transparently? What systems will be put in place to ensure the program maintains security, avoids fraud, and remains accountable to the American public? These are difficult but essential questions that need answers. And perhaps the biggest question of all is a political one. Will the gold card ever actually become law, or will it remain just another promising idea stuck in political gridlock? Only time and strong leadership will ultimately tell. As we wrap up, it's clear that the gold card is much more than just a policy idea. It's a profound reflection of what the United States can and should stand for. It's an invitation to the world's thinkers, builders, and dreamers. It's a message that says, "Come here. Create here, belong here." In an age where nations around the globe are fiercely competing for talent and innovation, the gold card could redefine what it means to become an American in the 21st century. It's a recognition that America's greatest strength has never been building walls. It's always been opening doors. Doors that open to possibility, to diversity, and to the shared dreams that unite us all. The journey from the green card to the gold card represents a continuation of the American story, and for millions around the world, it may soon open the next exciting chapter of their own American dream. Thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on the gold card proposal? Do you think it's a good idea for America? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the policies shaping our world. We'll see you in the next one.